Get ready with me to go to opening night of the play I'm directing. I talked about it a little bit. I plan on making a video going more in depth with it, but I am directing a play. I am a director here in St. Louis. I have been for several many years. And tonight is opening night of the show that I'm directing. It's called Two Witches, No Waiting. Of course, I don't have a script near me, but it's a fun little spooky comedy about witches. And I told the cast and I told myself that it's spooky season. I'm coming dressed as a witch. Let me present the outfit. So I'm going for Halloween witch. So I've got black pants. We've got an orange turtleneck because it's a little chilly here in St. Louis and it's just gonna get colder as the day goes on. And then I have this long that I usually use as a house coat, but it's like a long duster. So I can like sweep about. I said I was gonna wear something different, but I think I'm gonna go with this instead. I'm gonna hop in the shower and then I'm gonna meet you back to do my makeup. Okay, I'll see you back in a bit. Bye. All right, so I've got most of my outfit on. I got my turtleneck on, I got my pants on, and I've got part of my eye look started. So let's get into the rest of it. And what I'm going for is kind of like a dramatic, graphic eye moment. So I started this using my cocktail hour palette, and I'm gonna finish it with this color fix from Danessa Myricks in a blackout. And I'm just gonna take an angled brush and basically carve out that shape. So this is kind of the idea. It will obviously need to be cleaned up, but I'm gonna go ahead and do the same thing on the other side, and then I'm gonna go in for the next part. Okay, they're sisters. Definitely not twins, but we're gonna keep going. I have faith. So next, we are going to fill in some of this black, just like fill it in all the way. This is absolutely a trust the process moment. Yum. Let's take my House Labs High Power Pigment Paint in the shade Flame that you're not supposed to use on your eyes, but I use it on my eyes anyway, and it stains me every single time, but I really don't care. I'm gonna use that in this section. Okay, see, we're getting somewhere. Now, I think I'm gonna do away with the little lines on the side. Okay, see, I like this a lot more. I'm gonna touch up the blend and deepen some things and intensify some things, and I'll be back. And of course, I forgot to record the end, but here is the final look. It's giving witch. I added some clear from Danessa Myricks, a black lip, and some green from Juvia's Place. Love you. Bye.